When it comes to enhancing the beauty, energy efficiency, and overall value of your home in Glendale, replacing your old windows with high-quality, energy-efficient options is one of the best investments you can make. Whether you're planning to update your home's look, reduce energy bills, or simply improve its functionality, high-quality replacement windows offer an array of benefits that can meet your needs. Why replace your windows? Windows are more than just functional components of your home. They're key to the aesthetics, comfort, and energy efficiency of your space. Over time, however, windows can wear down. The seals around them may fail, letting drafts and moisture inside, while old glass can become cloudy, reducing the natural light that enters your home. Aging windows also tend to be less energy efficient, allowing heated or cooled air to escape, which can increase your utility bills. By opting for high-quality replacement windows, you're addressing these issues while simultaneously improving your home's curb appeal and adding long-term value to your property. The benefits of high-quality replacement windows: energy efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of upgrading to new windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation features, such as multi-pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills, which prevent the transfer of heat and cold between the interior and exterior of your home. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, reducing your energy consumption and lowering your monthly utility bills. In Glendale, where the temperature can vary drastically between hot summers and chilly winters, energy-efficient windows will help you maintain a comfortable indoor environment all year round, while reducing your carbon footprint. Enhanced curb appeal and style. Replacing outdated windows can dramatically enhance the curb appeal of your Glendale home. Whether you're interested in traditional double-hung windows, sleek modern casement windows, or expansive bay windows, there's a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available to complement your home's unique architecture. New windows will give your home a fresh look and increase its attractiveness to potential buyers, should you decide to sell in the future. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows can significantly increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often looking for homes with modern features and energy-saving capabilities, and new windows are a highly desirable feature. In fact, according to many real estate experts, replacing old windows can provide a substantial return on investment when it's time to sell your property. Improved comfort. Old windows are notorious for allowing drafts and uncomfortable air leaks. Even if your windows look fine, you might be feeling the effects of poor insulation. New windows improve temperature regulation, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This creates a more consistent and comfortable environment throughout your home, eliminating the hot or cold spots that older windows tend to create. Noise reduction. Living in a busy neighborhood or near a busy street can expose your home to unwanted noise from traffic, people, and other external factors. High-quality replacement windows are designed with soundproofing capabilities that reduce outside noise, creating a peaceful sanctuary inside your home. This feature is especially beneficial for those living in areas with high noise levels, ensuring a quieter, more serene living space. Durability and low maintenance. Modern replacement windows are crafted with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum, all of which are resistant to warping, rotting, and fading. These materials require minimal maintenance, meaning you won't have to spend time and money on constant upkeep. With proper installation and care, your new windows can last for many years, continuing to provide benefits without the hassle of frequent repairs. Choosing the right replacement windows for your Glendale home. When selecting replacement windows for your home, it's important to work with a reputable contractor who can guide you through the process. A professional will help you choose the best window styles, materials, and features that align with your specific needs and budget. They will also ensure that the windows are installed correctly, maximizing their performance and lifespan. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance your home's aesthetics, or increase its value, high-quality replacement windows are a smart and worthwhile investment for your Glendale home. With a wide range of options to choose from and numerous benefits, new windows can transform the way you experience your home, making it more comfortable, stylish, and energy efficient.